Hi, my name is Kristen. I work here at Tufts Health Plan, and this is the Medicare Minute. Seeing your doctor each year for a physical is one of the best ways to stay healthy. The most important thing to bring to your next appointment is your doctor visit book. The doctor visit book is a pocket-sized pamphlet that makes it easy to list your questions and your medications. Most people have questions for their doctor, but it's common to forget what they are once you're at your appointment. Section 1 lists questions for your doctor. Tell your doctor if you've fallen since your last visit. Your doctor will be able to tell you if you need to take precautions to prevent future falls. Ask your doctor about the right amount of exercise for you. Your doctor will be able to recommend activities that are appropriate for you. Talk to your doctor about any bladder control issues. Most bladder control issues can be cured or improved. There is also space to list any specific questions or concerns you want to ask your doctor about. In Section 2, list the medications you take. Your doctor will want to know all the medications you take in order to make sure you have the right medication and the right amount. In Section 3, you can jot down any notes, reminders, or important information discussed at your visit. You can find the doctor visit book on our website, in your wellness guide that is mailed to you in March, or you can give us a call and we'll send you one. We hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching this edition of the Medicare Minute.